All right, we're going to take a look at target 25, defining functions through the vertical line test. This is all about looking at a graph and seeing if you can put a vertical line on it and counting how many times it hits it. That's really it. So to figure out if something is a function, to have the definition of a function is that each input has one and only one output. You can't have multiple choices of what comes out. So like if I look at a parabola and I get out, I look at my parent graph and I get out something that's a vertical line or a straight line that goes this way, that only hits it once, no matter where I put it. Once, once, once. And so a parabola would pass what we call the vertical line test. Okay, so if I get out a cubic and I go over here, how many times have I put a vertical line on it? Oh, it only hits it once. Only hits it once, 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 no matter where I move my vertical line. Now, if I continue to go through these, I go hyperbola. If I put a vertical line on a hyperbola, it only hits it once. It only hits it once over here. 1, 1, 1. Hyperbolas are 1 also. Now, this drawing isn't very good because that curve shouldn't go straight up like that because it looks like it hits it more than once. But it doesn't. The proper graph would only curve and it would only hit it once. That's my hand sketch. Not very good. Then this one over here would also, it's an exponential curve. It would only hit it once. This blue graph is only hitting 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 no matter where I move my vertical line. Now, when I get to the other side though, the first one I see here is a sideways parabola or a sleeping parabola. If I put this on here, fail. It hits it twice. I can see that it hits my vertical line in 2 places, and those 2 places are seen right there and right there. Therefore, the input, let's say this number was 4, could be output of +2 or -2, and that's where it doesn't work. So that would fail the vertical line test, therefore it's not a function. Absolute value graph, I can put a vertical line on it, it only hits it once. And then the last one is a circle that we have, and if I put a vertical line on a circle, whoops, it definitely hits it twice. And so because it hits it twice, therefore it's not a function. So if we wanted to list those out, the easiest answer to figure these out for target 25 is to go through that list we just did. So parabolas, exponentials, cubics, hyperbolas, most lines, absolute values, circles, and sleeping parabolas. When I said most lines, if you have a vertical line, that's not going to be a function because then it hits it more than once. But most lines are tilted at an angle, and if I tilt the line at an angle, then it's only going to hit it once, 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 once. So the only type of line that fails is a vertical line. So those are the answers to that, and those are the ideas. The key concept is, does it pass or fail the vertical line test?